Good morning, dear children. Have a great, positive, and beautiful day. Welcome back, all of you. Let us start. Today we will study English text. Our first chapter, The Wonders of Nature. We had already completed the first paragraph. Today we will start from the next paragraph. Before that, let us revise once again. I taught you how sun is useful for us. We saw in this lesson there is a boy whose name is Arun. He was very happy and surprised in the morning when he saw the sun rising in the east. He saw the sun is looking red, round like a ball. So he just wanted to know why it is looking like that. He asked to his mother, and she said, "Yes, my dear son, the sun is red, round like a ball, and it is very useful for all of us." Next moment, we saw one of Arun's friend came to meet him, and his name was Vicky. Yes, his name was Vicky. He asked one riddle to the Arun. I had told you the meaning of riddle. That means a question difficult to understand. Arun knew the answer, and it is air. Now, next we will read. Before that, I will tell you some more new words in the lesson are eager, pure, wind, sea, weather. When you will read the chapter, you will find all these words there. Now, next. Vicky, all living things need air. Arun, yes, we cannot live without air. They started playing near the gate. Soon there were clouds in the sky. The wind started blowing. As the weather was pleasant, Mummy also came out. We can see here both friends. They are talking to each other. Vicky said, all living things need air. Yes, as a natural resource, the air is very useful, just like water. We all know about the importance of air in our lives because this is the main reason for life on the earth. Do you know why do we need air? We need air to breathe. The air we breathe has oxygen. All living things need air. Animals and plants would die without it. So that's why we all need air. And they both friends started playing near the gate. Soon there were clouds in the sky and wind also started blowing. As the weather was pleasant, Mummy also came out. She also joined them. Pleasant, again this word came. I had told you the meaning. That means enjoyable or cheerful. From where do the clouds come, Auntie? Vicky was eager to know. Eager means desire to know something. Vicky was also very eager to know from where do the clouds come. Auntie, they come from the sea. The winds bring them and soon it may rain. Vicky, the leaves are dry, it is very hot. The rain is good for plants. Vicky said, yes, leaves are also looking very dry and it is too hot. Rain is good for the plant. Yes, my dear children, rain is only not good for the plants, it is good for all of us. We can use rainwater for bathing, cleaning, washing, like so many other things we can do with the rain water. Auntie, the rain is good for us also. The water we drink comes from the rain. Vicky, does that mean we can drink rainwater, Auntie? Vicky asks, that means can we drink rainwater? Is it pure? Auntie said, yes, Vicky, but we cannot drink seawater, and reason is there because it is salty. Vicky, is rainwater pure? Auntie, yes, rainwater is pure. She told to him that. The winds bring only water from the sea. The salt is left behind. That's why rainwater is pure and we can drink it. Now we saw next. At last what happened? It started raining and they all ran inside. Now my dear children, I hope you all have understood this chapter is all about how nature is useful for all of us. And now it is our duty to protect the nature too. Today we will do this chapter's first exercise. Put a tick for the true and a cross for the false statement. First one, Mummy says the sun is useful. Already I had told to you that sun is useful for all of us. Answer is correct. All living things need air. Yes, we all need air. It is also correct. Clouds bring winds. This is wrong. The winds brings them. We cannot drink seawater because it is salty. Yes, I have also told you the seawater is very salty, so we cannot drink it. So answer is correct. We can drink rainwater. Yes, the rainwater is pure, so we can drink it, rainwater. So do this exercise in the copy. Stay home and be safe. Thank you.